Vocal for Local is a slogan that has become a cherished one for various governments of the country, states, UTs, but especially as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, this has been coined recently and is being used increasingly as far as the Umar Abdullah government is concerned. Now, this obviously means that the first priority should be given to local, be it entrepreneurs or otherwise. But if you talk of the tourism sector, it was one industry which obviously we know is very important for the Kashmir Valley. But here, as far as the guests are concerned, tourists are concerned, locals obviously were not needed, at least as far as the tourism service providers are concerned, because the rush of non-locals and tourists from other parts was so much that they thought that as far as locals are concerned, they can be ignored in many ways. But now, after what happened in Pahalgam, the kind of terror attack, it smashed the Kashmir's tourism season. It's completely derailed it. And right now, though, there are desperate attempts by all the stakeholders, by the government, to have outreach programs, to have initiatives from the Kashmir Valley, which will help change this negative image outside, which will help to showcase Kashmir as a safe tourism destination again. But right now, what is acting as a hand-holding act for the local tourism industry, for the hoteliers, for the service providers at various locations like Gulmarg, Pahalgam and Sonmarg is the overflow of local tourism. Local tourists, visitors are going to these places, staying in hotels. In fact, last at least 1 or 2 weeks have seen a massive rush of local tourists in places like Pahalgam, Gulmarg and Sonmarg, which obviously is ensuring that the tourism industry, the stakeholders are earning enough to sustain themselves and also to ensure that the jobs they have given to locals or people who are associated, they also get their salaries. But on the other hand, you also have initiatives like the one which is happening here in the SKICC, where you have a tourism secretaries conference which is ongoing right now. You have this conference is being organized by the tourism ministry of the country, and you have the tourism ministry, you have secretaries from various places of the country. Now, there are stalls like these which showcase the local hands craftsmanship, which obviously Kashmir is famous for, be it the wood carving, be it Kani shawls. So this is just to showcase the positive side of Kashmir, it's what it's famous for. And on the other hand, you also have meetings with various tourism stakeholders. Obviously, the intent is to send a positive message across, a message that Kashmir is safe for tourism. And obviously, one incident should not be allowed to derail the Kashmir tourism season, and also make a permanent negative image of the place. So these initiatives are happening, but obviously it will take some time before the kind of tourism Kashmir Valley was witnessing before 22nd of April. That was bumper last 4-5 years, had seen a tourist inflow footfall which was not seen for many years now. But the kind of incident we have had, obviously it will take time before that sense of security is reinstilled in visitors and people who are planning a holiday in Kashmir. But at least steps are being taken, these initiatives are being taken just to have this outreach to the people, showcase Kashmir as a safe tourism destination again. But as I said, it will take some time, but at least some beginning and some efforts are underway.